most innovative, independent investment bank. And the winner is Moelis Company.
Hello and welcome. My name is Michael Watt. I'm the Investment Banking and Capital Markets Editor at The Banker. I'm here at the 2015 Investment Banking Awards in London. I'm with Matt Prest, Managing Director at Moelis. You guys have won Best Independent Investment Bank this year. Just take me through the year and give me some highlights as to why you think you've performed particularly well over the last 12 months.
Michael, our business is all about clients and the success of our clients. And so I think we've been very successful in being very close to them, staying close to them, understanding their requirements and their key issues so that we can provide them with the best advice possible. So it's all about client focus, and that's what's led to our success. Also, being global, being relevant to our clients in the regions and the sectors that they do business. So things like the Hutchinson Whampoa deal, advising them on their UK deal with O2. Heineken, another big global deal, advising them on the sale of their Mexican packaging business. These are big global clients that have global requirements, and so being relevant in the areas and the geographies in which they operate is absolutely critical.
Do you think that the current market situation with investment banking offers a good opportunity for independent firms such as yourselves to grow even further? You know, the larger banks are burdened more with capital regulations, liquidity regulations than they once were. Is there a chance for the smaller operators to nip in and sort of take market share off the bigger guys?
I believe so. In this environment, the clients are constantly adapting. They need to, for their, in terms of their own competitive position. We need to be able to be fleet of foot and to be able to adapt and move quickly to meet their changing requirements as well. And I think that independent operators like ourselves are very much more adept at doing that than large bureaucratic institutions. So it plays right to our strengths, both in terms of our global coverage, but also our key client focus. And therefore, I think it really does play to the strengths of firms like ours. But one needs to be not just independent, but have that critical mass and that global position to be able to provide that service that the clients like ours are looking for.
So it's about striking the right balance between those two things.
Yes.
The size and the sort of independence and the flexibility to go after new markets, new clients, etc.
Absolutely, yes.
Do you think that obviously a lot of your activity is in M&A and bonds and IPOs. Do you think the economic events of the last couple of months have slowed the appetite for that sort of activity with your clients, or is that as strong as it was in, say, the first half of this year?
We continue to see great appetite for deal making within our client base. So certainly we haven't seen that so far. And in fact, the recent volatility in the markets affords opportunity to those people. Before, a lot of people were talking about values being overblown and too high. I think that the current volatility really kind of gives those people that have got good positions in the markets real opportunity to take advantage of the situation.
And do you think that impetus will continue to the end of the year and into next year as well? Is there that sort of strong wind behind it?
Based on what I see in our pipeline, absolutely, yes.
Matt Prest, thanks very much for your time. Enjoy the evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.